Good morning, dear students of class 8. Welcome to the English online learning class. Today we are going to take up revision of the lesson Bipin Chaudhary's Lapse of Memory. As periodic test 1 are approaching, and this lesson Bipin Chaudhary's Lapse of Memory is in your course, in your syllabus for PT1. So let us revise. Bipin Chaudhary's Lapse of Memory is written by Satyajit Ray. Now the lesson is very humorous and it makes us laugh. The main character of this lesson, who is Bipin Babu, he is made to believe, everyone forces him to believe that he is sick and he has lapse of memory. His power of remembering things has gone. But the truth is, there is nothing wrong with him. Now the lesson begins with Bipin Chaudhary meeting Parimal Ghosh. Bipin Chaudhary used to go to Kalicharan bookshop. He was a regular visitor because he was fond of reading books in the New Market. And he met a man who was looking at him continuously. And he said that, have you been to Ranchi in 1958? And he also gave him his name as Parimal Ghosh. But Bipin Babu said he had never been to Ranchi. But Ghosh was looking at him in disbelief. Now, Ghosh confused Bipin Chaudhary. And he started telling him in detail the incidents of his Ranchi trip. He said in Ranchi trip, Bipin Chaudhary had injured his knee in Woodrow Falls. And he also said that there was another man with you, Mr. Dinesh Mukherjee, who was also in Ranchi at that time. And because you did not like hotel food, you stayed in a Bangalore, while Mukherjee remained with his sister. He also said to Bipin Chaudhary that you always used to carry books with you, even on your sightseeing trips. And when Bipin Babu asked him which month, he said it was October. Now Bipin Babu was very sure in October 1958 he was with his friend at Kanpur. Now Ghosh is very much determined. He says, you had been to Ranchi. And he told Bipin Babu about his personal life. He said, you also told me that your wife is dead. And you have only one brother who is no more, who died insane. He had some mental problem. And that is why you never liked going to a mental hospital in Ranchi. Now, in part 2, Bipin Babu is full of doubts because he had never been to Ranchi. He asked his driver Sitaram to drive by the Ganges. Then he was worried. Was he losing his mind? But he remembered very well he was at Kanpur. And so he thought of writing to his friend Haridas Bagchi, in whose house he was in October 1958 in Kanpur. But then he remembered that Haridas Bagchi had left for Japan a few weeks before. Bipin Babu decided to confirm himself, and he rolled up his trousers and he took a look at his right knee. There was a cut mark. Then he thought of Dinesh Mukherjee, who was, according to that man, Parimal Ghosh, Dinesh Mukherjee was with Bipin Babu in his Ranchi trip. But then he thought, what is Dinesh Mukherjee going to think of him? As it is, Dinesh Mukherjee used to make fun of him. Now Bipin Babu goes home. He comes home and he feels better. After dinner, he lost himself in his books and then he attended his office the next day. But just before lunch, Bipin Babu once again became very worried. And so he rang up Dinesh. But Dinesh also confirmed that he had been to Ranchi. Bipin Babu now felt sick. He slammed the receiver and he could not eat and he decided once again to reach home. Now when he was in the house, Chunni Lal, who was his friend, came to meet him. Now, Chunni Lal was in problem and he wanted some help from Bipin Babu. He wanted Bipin Babu to find him a job. They had studied together in school. Now, first Bipin Babu thought that he should not meet Chunni Lal because he was not in a mood. But then he remembered something and he hurried down to see him. He asked Chunni Lal if he remembered his going to Ranchi in 1958. But Chunni Lal said, yes, he had been to Ranchi and he had arranged a ticket for him. He had come with him to see him off at the station. And Chunni Lal said, I am very much worried about your health. But Bipin Babu said, maybe it is hard work. Chunni Lal suggested that you consult a specialist. Bipin Babu went to Dr. Paresh Chandra, who was a doctor, and he told his problems, that he is forgetting. So the doctor suggested that the best thing for him would be to go to Ranchi. Maybe when he sees the place, he is reminded. Now Bipin Babu decided to act on doctor's advice. He went to Ranchi. But then he felt as he reached Ranchi station that he had never seen this place. He went around the city. He had the same feeling. He also took a trip to Hudro. But at 5 o'clock, when he was at Hudro Fort, two Gujarati gentlemen, they found him. He was lying unconscious beside a huge rock in Hudro. When he regained consciousness, the only words that Bipin Babu spoke was, I am finished. Now, next morning when he reached Calcutta, he was a broken man, very sad. And he had this fear that probably now he was going to go to a mental asylum. Because he is not remembering things. He has lost his memory. He rang up Dr. Chandra and asked him to come. Then he received an envelope and he went through this letter. He opened the envelope. There was a letter and he read the letter. This letter was from Chunni Lal. And Chunni Lal had expressed his bitterness that Bipin Babu was not nice with him. He had not been like a good friend. And then he said that there is nothing wrong with your memory. This was a plan that was laid by me as a revenge because you were very unkind to me. You could have helped me with a job, you did not. So I returned it back in this way, by troubling you. Then he told Bipin Chaudhary that he had played a practical joke upon him. And this thing he did with the help of Mr. Parimal Ghosh and Dinesh Mukherjee. And now it was very clear to Bipin Babu that there is nothing wrong with his memory. Now, Bipin Babu again told a lie. When Dr. Paresh Chandra came, he told a lie and he said that when he reached Ranchi, he remembered everything, that he had been to Ranchi. And he said that he called him because he needed a painkiller. He had a pain in the hip due to fall in Ranchi. This was a lie that was built up by Bipin Babu, because he did not want to embarrass himself in front of the doctor. So we stop here. Students, revise the lesson, and then MCQ questions, short answer, long answer questions, all can be asked from this lesson. So prepare, and if you have any problem, you can just ask. Thank you. Best of luck.